Palangsha here from Geojit Financial Services. So, last week's range held up. We went close to 8,800, and now, as we speak, we are trading closer to 9,000 levels, just 20 points short of that. The view remains the same. There is going to be volatility. Intraday volatility is going to be very, very high. Gap up, gap down. Closing also equally is going to be very choppy and volatile. Banking has suffered a little bit because of the provisioning on fallback of moratorium and COVID-19, and NBFCs too are the weak links in the market. So we had seen the underperformance from Bank Nifty and the NBFC sector for a while. Recovery is now on the horizon. Possibility that the banking and financial sector numbers for this financial year for second quarter could also be a little bit disappointing given the environment and the outlook and the issues that both these sectors have to deal with. On the flip side, a little bit of recovery with the opening up of various states on a small scale, and likely possibility that as we reach closer to the lockdown 4.0 date, that is 31st of May, if the numbers improve on the recovery side, on the number of patients, falling sick comes down, deaths come down, I think we should have more positivity. But pockets like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Delhi, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh are the case of concern, especially for Gujarat and Maharashtra. Both these states contribute to a great extent to the GDP on the higher side, and hence there is a concern. Overall, the market ranges in the range that I've mentioned, 8,800, 9,000 on the lower side, 9,300, 9,500 on the higher side. If positivity evolves in the next week or a fortnight, then we may even go closer to 9,800. But again, factors have to turn out to be positive for that. Any positive news on any vaccine or any drug or an injection on the COVID-19 front, or the development of that successful trials, etc., will be an added advantage. Flows from the domestic side have been hugely positive. FIs have been net sellers even yesterday. So this push and pull on the Sensex and Nifty will continue for some time unless we see some stability on the numbers as far as the new infection is concerned. I think IT post, especially mid-cap IT, post the numbers that we saw from L&T Technologies and NIT Technologies, reasonably are expected to do well. And of course, your FMCG related sectors, we've seen some pullback from ITC, again holding out its head. So expect FMCG consumption related goods to do well and IT to do well. Pharma, as we've seen over the last couple of months, are on the positive zone, but remain to be advisable to be stock specific as far as pharma sector is concerned. Short term, medium term, use 9,300 to book profits. Long term, use 9,000 and below 9,000 to buy some quality stocks. Rupee, I think, should hold up against the dollar. And all the best, and see you again next week. Thank you.